Look at that. I marinated some cause it's summertime, so we be having fucking jerk chicken every day or jerk this. But look at them spices. Look, it was something from like I got like what 2 kilograms of chicken, and that's what's left. You know what I mean? So yeah, look at them spices. Look. So guess what? I'm gonna put them in the air fryer, and then a simple meal. Some long grain rice, some cabbage, and some carrots. But that's gonna go into the rice. I went down to my Tesco to make some rice and peas, so I was gonna get some gravy bun. They didn't have no gravy bun. And then I'm gonna break my jerk marinate down more, and then go from there. Normal meal, innit? Love.